Amazon Kitchen finds you actually need. If you love discovering great products like this, don't forget to subscribe and like this video to stay updated. This is the automatic rolling egg tray organizer. It holds up to 28 eggs and automatically rolls them forward for easy access, ensuring your eggs stay fresh and your fridge stays organized. This is the magnetic spice storage rack. Easily attach this rack to your fridge or oven to keep your spices organized and within reach, making your kitchen clutter-free and more efficient. This is the soda can dispenser, an adjustable, stackable organizer for storing soda cans in your fridge or pantry, helping you save space and keep everything neatly arranged. This is the reusable silicone stretch and seal lid set. Flexible and designed to fit bowls of different sizes, these lids keep your food fresh longer while cutting down on the need for plastic wrap. This is the silicone burger holder, a convenient and washable way to enjoy burgers and sandwiches without the mess, making meal times more enjoyable. This is the reusable glass straws. These durable, clear glass straws come in both straight and bent designs, perfect for sipping smoothies, juices, or tea without the need for single-use plastic. This is the semi-automatic whisk, a stainless steel whisk that beats eggs and stirs cream with minimal effort, perfect for quick whisking without the arm fatigue. This is the mini bag sealer. Rechargeable and compact, it seals and cuts snack bags in seconds, keeping your food fresh and reducing waste. This is the garlic crusher. Effortlessly mince garlic with a simple rocking motion, making your prep work fast and easy. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. This is the automatic soap dispenser, a touchless dispenser with 5 adjustable levels, providing a hygienic and convenient way to reduce waste. This is the drain basket with spout. Ideal for washing fruits and vegetables, it features a built-in spout for easy drainage, helping you keep your kitchen mess-free. This is the fruit basket for kitchen, a 5-tier rotating basket with wheels, offering ample storage for fruits and vegetables while keeping them fresh and organized. This is the cherry pitter. Designed for effortless cherry pitting, it's perfect for preparing cherries for pies, salads, or snacking, keeping your kitchen clean and your hands stain-free. This is the cup slicer. This mini fruit slicer allows you to slice fruit or vegetables with ease and precision, saving you time when preparing snacks or desserts. This is the apple corer and slicer. Its sharp blades and safety cover allow you to core and slice apples perfectly in seconds, making meal prep fast and hassle-free. This is the adhesive push towel hook. These easy-to-use towel hooks stick firmly to your kitchen walls, keeping your hand and dish towels within reach without damaging your surfaces. This is the 2-tier under sink organizer. It's stackable with movable dividers, helps maximize space in your kitchen. This is the grocery bag storage holder. With its large capacity, this bag holder neatly stores and dispenses plastic shopping bags, helping you keep your kitchen clutter-free and organized. This is the Lazy Susan turntable organizer. Designed to keep your fridge, pantry, or countertop organized, it provides easy access to condiments and items, making your kitchen more efficient. This is the electric warming tray. With its full-surface heating and 3 temperature settings, it keeps your food warm for gatherings, parties, or daily use, ensuring every dish is served hot. This is the expandable Lazy Susan turntable. Ideal for rectangular and oblong tables, it ensures everyone at the table can easily reach shared dishes, making meals more enjoyable. This is the stove knob covers. These heat-resistant covers provide peace of mind, ensuring that little hands or curious pets don't accidentally turn on the stove. This is the silicone stove mat for glass-top stoves. Protects your electric stove and doubles as an XL dish drying mat, keeping your kitchen neat and your stovetop scratch-free. This is the stove counter gap cover. Adjustable and heat-resistant, it easily fills gaps between your stove and counter, preventing food spills and making cleanup a breeze. This is the beverage barricade. These protectors also function as easy tab openers for soda cans, while shielding your drinks and dust at parties or BBQs. This is the Can Cover F, BPA-free and made in the USA. It fits snugly on your cans, preventing spills and keeping drinks fresh for longer. This is the coffee beverage cooler. In just 1 minute, it cools your favorite drinks, like iced coffee, without diluting the flavor. It chills your iced coffee in just 1 minute without watering it down. This is the microwave splatter cover. It prevents food splatters in the microwave and doubles as a fruit drainer, making cleanup a breeze. This is the Angry Mama microwave steam cleaner. Add vinegar and water, and it steams away grime in minutes, making microwave cleaning quick and chemical-free. This is the splatter screen for frying pan, a guard that keeps grease and oil from splashing while frying, helping to keep your kitchen mess-free. This is the yogurt organizer for fridge. With adhesive sliders that keep your yogurt neatly stored, you'll never lose track of your favorite snacks. This is the egg dispenser, a clever, space-saving organizer that gently rolls your eggs forward, ensuring freshness and easy access while maximizing fridge space. This is the automatic drink dispenser. It offers hands-free dispensing for milk, juice, and more, eliminating spills and making pouring a breeze for the whole family. This is the foldable dish drying rack. It's a space saver that doubles as a drying area, also perfect for cooling baked cookies. This is the kitchen sink caddy. With a brush holder and stainless steel design, it keeps your sponge, brush, and essentials neatly stored and ready for use. This is the large salad spinner. With a generously sized capacity, it quickly cleans and dries greens or fruit with ease, so you're always ready to prep fresh, delicious salads and snacks. This is the grape cutter. It quickly slices grapes into bite-sized quarters, making snack time safer. This is the kiwi tool. With a comfortable grip, it peels kiwis in one motion, keeping prep mess-free and fast. This is the 3-in-1 avocado slicer. Effortlessly pit, slice, and scoop avocado with one handy tool, perfect for sandwiches, salads, or a quick snack without the fuss. This is the bread buddy. Designed to keep your sandwich bread fresh longer, this holder fits standard loaf sizes and helps prevent squishing, so every slice stays soft and ready to use. This is the bag clip with pour spout. These handy clips seal bags securely and allow for easy pouring, making them perfect for snacks, pet food, or other essentials. This is the bread slicer for homemade bread. With bamboo construction and a foldable design, it provides a sturdy cutting guide and crumb tray to keep slices uniform and surfaces tidy. This is the meat chopper. With 5 curved blades, it's designed to break up ground meats quickly. This is the chicken shredder. Its large design and anti-slip handle make shredding chicken effortless, while the visible shredding area lets you watch your progress. This is the meat tenderizer. Featuring ultra-sharp needle blades, this tool works wonders on beef, poultry, and more, giving meats a tender texture and helping marinades soak in fully. This is the egg dispenser. Holding up to 28 eggs, it rolls each egg forward for easy access, keeping your fridge tidy and ensuring eggs are always within reach. This is the egg boiler. It can cook up to 6 boiled eggs at once, saving you time and ensuring perfect results with every batch. Just set it up, and it automatically shuts off when done, giving you a simple, hands-free experience. This is the Dunk N egg yolk separator. Shaped like a mini basketball hoop, it makes separating yolks from whites a playful task in the kitchen. It's a fun twist on egg prep. This is the Pizza Smart Slider. Easily transfer your pizza from the oven to the table with a non-stick slider, ensuring your pizza stays intact and perfectly served every time. This is the Pizza Scissors. Cut and serve pizza slices cleanly with non-stick stainless steel scissors, making it easier to enjoy pizza without the mess. This is the Pizza Pack. Store leftover pizza slices in a space-saving, BPA-free container with 5 trays. It helps keep your pizza fresh and organized. This is the 2-in-1 kiwi tool. Cut and scoop your kiwi with ease, making healthy snacking fast and mess-free. This is the speed slicer. Quickly slice fruits and veggies without hassle, making food prep smoother and safer. This is the cherry pitter. Remove pits from multiple cherries in one go, perfect for making jams or snacks effortlessly. Thanks for watching. If you found these kitchen finds helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more great content. See you in the next one.